Hi friends, this is Mohammad Mahmood and today I'm going to show you a custom module Weighbridge in Odoo 14. So actually I just want to develop this Weighbridge module that will help to automate the receiving and delivering goods with fully integrated with Weighbridge transactions. It also support to process multiple orders at the same time and process it as done by the Odoo. So friends, let's see how it is done. So when you go to the Weighbridge module, this is the first screen of a Weighbridge transactions. All the transactions are displayed in this tree view. So you can see the different fields are there: transaction type, duration, weigh date, and driver, vehicle number, first weight, second weight, net weight, and many more fields like this. Uh, Activity entry, today's total in transactions, weight charges, right, against PO. So all the fields are there. Just you have to just take it and it can be visible. And many more filters are there: today's transaction, this week transaction, general weight, second weight not done, and group by transactions like this. So this is a tree view functionality of Weighbridge transactions. And apart from this is the four menus are there: two transactions, entry and exit Weighbridge transactions to create a new transaction. And the, the moment you complete the entry transaction, it will go for unload item. So here you can choose the option to unload the items of in transactions. Verify after unloading, it must be verify the lot and lot or serial number, and this way it will complete the in transactions. And the reports are there: incoming reports, outgoing reports, other reports, and this is the master menus are there: transporter, packing unit. You know, this is the name and this is the short name of the packing unit. It is used actually in generating a lot or serial number at the time of unloading items. The drivers are the data of drivers: license number, mobile number. This is the Kanban view. Okay, this is the narrations of the transaction. Now come to the Weighbridge entry transaction. Once you press the button, here it is the form of Weighbridge transaction, entry transaction form, and the first button to capture the weight of weight of the truck along with the goods. This is the transaction type: PO, against PO, says return, and outgoing goods entry. This is a different type of transaction. First, I want to show you the against a purchase order. Vehicle number. This is the vehicle number I supposed. And for narration, you can select the narration, and driver. Once you select the driver, all the information will be fetched. And this is the vendor or customer. This is the items which are displayed all the different orders and different vendors. So if you select a you know from different vendors and different product items with the different vendors, right? When you select it, so it will prompt you kindly select order item of a single vendor or a customer. So you cannot select the those products that belongs to different vendor or customer. So it will validate it, right? So now if I select the uh, same vendor and different uh, products, steel wire and U-bolt 6 mm, select it. So it will select the product also and populate the vendor customer also, which that belongs to order. After selection of the product, you have to just click on the relevant product. It will show a pop-up screen. So this is the quantity which has been ordered. The receiving quantity, by default it will populate it 80 10, and this is the coil bundle. You can select it. Suppose 5 coil I want to receive. This is the order number, this is a supply order number, and this is the U-bolt 6 mm order. Suppose 250 mm, I just going to 130 bundle is there, and suppose 7 bundles are there. Order ORD, suppose this is the order number. Save it. So it will reflect 85 coils and 250 130 kg, 7 bundles. So this way you can receive the different product transaction. I'm going to save it. You should provide the first weight. Suppose 120 10. Save it. So this way the first state weight is there. When you save the first transaction, entry transaction, when you receive the product, the first state is weight, and when you unload the item, and it will go for unload and then done. So once you save this, this is the transaction you have received. All the information of this. Here you can see all the details, and also you can print the report from here. Click the transaction report. It will print a PDF format. You can see the preview. Here is the report format of a Weighbridge transaction VB 00008, and this is the weigh date, person, net weight, transaction type, vehicle number, transport, driver name, ICAMA number of driver, vehicle type, and this is the detail of the product which you have received, like steel wire 4 mm, demand, this is done quantity, and this is the pack quantity of a received, like 5 coil, and this is 7 bundle of 130 kg of done quantity. So this is the detailed report of a transaction. So let's go to the next step, that is a stock activity, right? So in this menu there are two options for entry transaction: unload item and verify lot and serial. In unload item, you just unload the items of whatever you have just received in this transaction. So here you can see when I click it, so it will show all the transaction which are in state, wait state, right? So when I click it, so here you can see all the details, recently what we have received. Now there is a validate button. This is actually very interesting button. You can say this is a magical button that validate and process all the necessary steps to insert and update all the relevant stock table, and also generate a lot or serial number as per the mentioned pack unit. This is the 5 coil and 7 bundle. It will generate 5 barcode and 7 barcode of bundle. So you will see how it is happened. So now I'm going to click this validate button. Right. So here you can see this is disappear this validate button, and it means successfully it is validated and it goes to unload state, right? So it is successfully, and when you click the unload item again, here you can also see that that record has been disappeared, means it is successfully unloaded. Now you can go to the next step, that is a verify lot and serial number. Here you can see the two records are there. This is the record what we have unloaded recently. When I click it, so this is the form of this uh, unload item what we have done it, validated it. So here you can see the detail of the entry transaction maybe 0008, and now you can see here lot serial of received product, right? So here you can see the product and lot serial number. So it is a number of Weighbridge transaction ID, and this is a CL short form of a coil, and this is the number of coil 1 out of 5. So here you can know that how many coil has been received in this transaction, and also you can see also the number of bundle. So BN is the short name or short form. So this is the number of 1 of 7, 2 of 7. So you can see barcode. When you see the barcode, you can know all the things. So this is very interesting and very and also you can track who has validated false to true and state to unload. So this is also tracking. The next thing also, and here is the print barcode report and print QR code. Here you can say print out the, if I print this report now, you can see the format of this is the this is the it was the previous state, and this is the new one what you have received the product, lot serial number, product number, serial number, destination, in which stock it is stored, right? This is the quantity, and it automatically this is how many coil you have received. It is divided by the done quantity. So here is the detail. This is the bundle. This is the stock. So this is the nice format of a PDF, and you can also print the barcode label. This is, you can see here, this is the barcode. You just stick over the coil so that you can, this is very good informative number, barcode number. This is a Weighbridge transaction ID, and this is a BN for short name of bundle, and 2 means second bundle of 7. Means in this transaction total 7 bundle has been received. So this is very good nomenclature of this barcode. Similarly, you can see the QR code also. So QR code also you can print as per your interest or requirement. Here is the QR code. Steel wire, the name of the product, and this is the coil, 16 quantity done. So this is the QR. So this is the format of a QR code label. And when this is verified, everything is okay, then you can also edit. This is, you can also edit the received stock weight. This is 16 weight, and automated weight is this. Actual weight you can also modify it. Okay, and when you save it, so it will also save and update all the relevant table. And after, when it is finished, you can mark as done. So it will lock in future. You cannot modify this transaction. So this is all about the verify and load item. You can also verify the transaction of purchase order so that it is updated successfully or correctly or not. So you can verify, cross verify. You can do this. So here you can see the purchase order 29, what I have processed at here, and this is the stock demand, and this is done, and this is disabled because it has done successfully. And these are the details of the stock serial number. And again, order number, another order number P00028, and here you can see this is also done. This is disabled because this is done, and this is the detail of the order stock. So you can see this is done as done by Odoo. We have done with the help of Weighbridge transaction. Also, you can verify the you know entry inventory report, like steel wire. Here you can see steel wire. Here you can see stock, and this is the earlier received barcode number, and this is the Weighbridge transaction. This is the number 12345 coil, right? And the another product was some like volt, U volt, right? So here you can see all the 7 bundles are received. So here you can cross verify that it is done by successfully. So that is what I want to show you. So it is done very nicely in very short way. Thank you for watching.